right there, Roro. Perfect. 10 out of 10 park job.
Big gate, heavy.
Yes, very fluffy. But is it as regal as my crown? I think not. Okay, breakfast time.
Big breakfast.
Put your back into it, Roro. We are a team, a powerful team.
Needs salt. Acceptable.
All done.
Excellent work, team. Now to the next adventure. Onward, Roro, to the mysterious beyond, or just to the carrot field.
Oh no!
Oh, yes. Look at that glorious mud. It's beautiful. It's perfect. Not too warm, not too cold. A plus puddle. Dodo, we have work to do.
What's the plan? Are we building a mud castle? I'll be the king.
A rope. Are we playing tug of war with the puddle? I accept.
It's for the lamb, Dodo.
Don't you worry, little fellow. Uncle Dodo is here. It was a lovely puddle, wasn't it?
Not even dirty, Dodo. It's called exfoliating, Roro. It's for my complexion.
Steady hands, Roro. Don't want to mess up the... Ooh, shiny.
Dodo, you look silly.
It's a new style, Roro. It's called cloud fashion. Very exclusive. Drive on, my good monkey. Our fluffy treasure awaits.
Dodo, dinner first, then bath. Dodo, your face.
Ravishing, isn't it?
No, Dodo, let go.
Just testing the tension. Very important.
This is part of the process. Snow. It's just cold, wet confetti.
I prefer my puddles.
Oh no, empty.
Empty? This is a disaster, a royal crisis. Do something, Roro.
All right. Fine.
The ground is broken. Big job. This white fluff is no match for us. Attack!
Good.
Dodo, dinner first, then bath.
One must be clean before one dines, Roro. It's called etiquette. Look it up.
Hold steady. I've got it. Don't worry. I am a professional.
Be careful, Dodo. Yes, needs a hint of pondweed.
But this will do. This will...
Yum. A meal fit for a king. And his monkey.
Slow down, Dodo.
Delicious.
Bye for now.
Don't forget to subscribe. Are you sure that's not birdseed, Roro?
one's no good.
Nope. This one either. Ah, this one.
Slow down, Roro! You're ruffling my feathers!
Let's go!
I knew it! I knew this would happen!
Oh my god!
All the fruit? Oh no! Not another one of your aha moments! I'm waddling! These sneakers weren't made for running.
Yes. Too woody. This one? No, too planky. It's a disaster, Roro. I am a K-I-N-G, a very nervous king. Don't hit a bump, Roro. Yahoo! That's not gonna float. You forgot the, floaty bit. Safety first, Roro. Mind the feathers.
Snail. Here. Don't hiccup. Or my foot.
Definitely not my color. Ta-da!
Well, it hasn't sunk yet. Onward, my good man, to the river of fruit. Row, 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 row. I spy peaches to the starboard side. Uninvited guest.
Row, 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 row. I spy peaches to the starboard side.
Got him.
An uninvited guest. Throw it back.
Much better. This water is perfectly ducky.
It's hot. And fruity. A strange combination.
Look how thick it is getting. Is it ready yet, Dodo?
Patience, little one. The jam requires more vigorous stirring.
Much better. I was overheating.
Yummy.
I suppose. It's not bad. I don't get it. The water is full of food. Why do you need a stick?
It's slimy. It's slippery.
Yikes. Dodo, look. He's stuck.
Huh? Is it lunchtime? Ach, my head.
right, move aside just a little bit so I can close the door.
Roro, wait! Your legs are longer. Whoa! We're so high, Roro! I can see our house! Chitter!
Quack! Look at all the food, Roro!
Is it a bath? Can I jump in? Splash. Chitter.
We have to check the farm. Oh no, Dodo, look! She's really
It's no use. She's too heavy.
Poor cow. Wait, if pulling doesn't work,
What?
we'll lift her. It's working. She's flying. Easy, easy.
Are you okay, Mrs. Cow?
Almost clean.
What's that noise?
Roro! Imposters! They're eating the plants!
Not again.
Get out! This is our farm! Shoo!
I have an idea, Dodo.
Does it involve snacks?
It involves construction.
Okay, Dodo! Time for secret weapon mud! That's dusty. It's the magic powder! Chitty!
All right, Dodo, time to build. Quack! These bricks are not up to royal standards.
More! We need more!
I'm on it, Your Highness.
Achoo! Quack!
This is dusty work. Quack. This way, Roro. Follow me.
Cozy.
Huh? My crown is getting wet.
little help.
Put you back into it.
I'm a mess. Use this one.
No, the other one.
Yahoo!
Hey.
It's a lab.
Quack! Business time! Need help, Roro? Just watch the trailer.